Daniel Oyston here, and welcome to Marketing in a Minute with Content Grasshopper. Usually these episodes are done and dusted in a minute, but this is way too important a topic to jam into just 1 minute. So I'll go a little bit over this time. 80% of internet users own a smartphone, and when they are looking for goods and services on their mobile phones, 48% of them start on a search engine. In Canberra, that equates to roughly 145,000 people who, when using their smartphone to find goods and services, start on a search engine like Google. Now that's a lot of people. Google's game is to stay as the place people go to get the right information that they're looking for. And if that authority starts to slip and people go elsewhere, they have a smaller audience and people are less inclined to spend advertising dollars with them. So they have to do everything to make the experience awesome and help you find what you need easily. Now we know that 48% of website visits are from people on mobile devices, and we all agree that websites that look rubbish on mobile devices turn us off. It's super frustrating, and that's why 67% of people won't return to a site if it doesn't work properly on a mobile. For those not good with statistics, it means a lot of people visit your site on a mobile device, and if it isn't a mobile responsive design, then you're losing business. The reason this episode is a little longer is that come April 21st, Google is changing its algorithm, which determines who shows up where in search results. Now, normally we don't get a warning of changes to Google's algorithm, so getting a notice of impending changes and what they'll actually be tells us it's super important. This time, the change is that Google will be taking into consideration if the search is being conducted on a mobile device, and it will give preference to sites that have a mobile-friendly site. That means if you don't have a mobile-friendly site, then you are going to be less likely to show up in search results when people search on their mobile devices for the types of things that you are providing. I visited an accounting site the other day whose site was on the first page of Google in the organic results. Their site was not responsive and it was rubbish on a mobile device. I could barely use it. The result will be for them in the coming weeks that their business will disappear from the front page when people search for Canberra accountants on a mobile device. So if your site is already responsive, then that's great, carry on. If not, better get it fixed up. If not, simply for the reason of making it easier for your customers to interact with you. If you're unsure whether your site's responsive, then visit this link and test your site. It takes about 10 seconds. For more marketing advice, head along to the website and download the big book of practical marketing advice for free.